Yippee! We have further progress on the Mondrian cuckoo clock. Mark just handed this to me. Let me go back to the beginning though to show you. This is the CorelDRAW, my schematic of what the clock will be that I did in CorelDRAW. Here's the front, the top, the bottom, the side. And now here it is. From that I created this in Corel. It went to Paul and he laser cut all those 5 parts. Now then what Mark did was he routed the edges to round them, and that also got off the burn part, because as you can see here, when it's lasered, it's burned. So now it's all ready to paint, and soon we'll have yet another, the American Cuckoo Clock made in America. Yay! I'm super duper excited because I just got all these parts in from Zach, my CNC guy. I've got 2 clocks here, actually with other derivations. This is going to be a log cabin. This is going to be a new quilt shop, a more American, modern looking one, and probably a gardening clock and who knows what else. Well, I guess Penny's done. We are working on, or now I am working on, what will be our anniversary clock. Mark and I just got married, and this was the theme of our wedding, was this clock, which is an old clock. And I've wanted to make another clock like that as an anniversary clock, using sort of that idea. So I've started with the Penny's back, the Hickory Flat clock, and then from these images that I've collected over time from like 1920s, very cottagey look, I am playing with some things like some flowers and some roofs and adding some little dormers and windows and maybe a chimney and figuring out all these things. So anyway, that's what I'm working on a cold and dreary evening here in Georgia.